Hello and welcome to My Messy Bedroom News with Cameron Girardi. Today we're going to take a break from that gosh diggy darn virus everyone's been talking about. You know the one. We don't talk about that here. And we're going to instead take at current news, current news in the medical field today. Sleep apnea and Alzheimer's, are they connected? This article that we looked at certainly seems to think so from Medical News Today. Now, for viewers that don't know, sleep apnea is interruption of breathing while sleeping, and Alzheimer's is a type of dementia, which is just accelerated memory loss or advanced memory loss. This article tells us about oh so romantic France, although I doubt there was a lot of kissing between these 127 65-year-olds because they were so busy with questionnaires and brain scans. The team found about 75% of the participants had sleep apnea, and they had this little weird protein that patients with Alzheimer's also have. And they also found gray matter in areas within the brain associated with Alzheimer's. Now, they had Dr. Geraldine Rocks a part of the study, and she said, while this doesn't mean that these people will necessarily develop the disease, they are at higher risk. What is more, effective solutions exist to treat sleep apnea. Detecting and treating sleep disorders, particularly sleep apnea, will therefore form part of the arsenal for promoting successful aging. So, to sum up that mumbo jumbo for you, what that basically means is that this study doesn't necessarily mean that people with sleep apnea will absolutely get Alzheimer's. It just means it might be a risk factor, and they have to look more into it, which researchers plan to do. It's the first study of its kind to use multiple forms of brain imaging methods, especially on this large of a group of participants from the general public. And so the researchers intend to continue their work to see if there's a difference between males and females and how their brains are formed, especially their brain lesions are what they're looking at. They also plan to see if treatment for sleep apnea can make a difference to brain changes and how it grows. So that's the basic summary of the article and some medical news for you today. So that will be the end of our segment. Now tune in next week when we're going to talk about stem cell affecting old human cells. But for now, we're going to transfer you over to Cami for the weather. Thanks, Cameron. We don't know. It's quarantine. We can't go outside. Back to you at the studio.